Ooh, that's pretty. Let's see if we can get high.
Rowan, come over here.
You hit me with that.
Here, look at this guy.
Oh, that's my big one. Mommy, give me. Here, Mommy.
What?
Hold this.
Okay.
Oh, my back hurts.
Ew, what is that?
Don't look at me.
Oh, they're shooting.
They're shooting airplanes.
Shooting Roman candles across the road.
Roman candles. You're kidding, right?
Shooting them at the cars.
Oh, that's mean.
What?
I'm trying to get something. You're just like in my way.
How am I in your way?
I don't know. Your nose is big.
You think that's the end?
No, it's not.
Yeah, probably.
No, there will be a bunch at a time.
What do you think that is?
That's not a bunch. Right here. I bet this is the
Yeah,
end. Yeah, that's the end. So pretty.
Okay, come on.
You know, this makes me want popcorn. I don't know why.